Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to cancel X Premium subscription, or formerly Twitter like platform. So to do this you have just to go to X, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that go to Premium and scroll down until you find the last option, Manage My Subscription. Click on it, and as you can see, for me it says that my subscription is active and I can't edit it with my phone because I made my subscription with my computer. So you should know that you can only edit or cancel your subscription with the device that you used to subscribe. So for example, if you subscribed with your phone, you can edit it and cancel with your phone. But if you made your subscription with the computer, so you can only cancel also with your computer. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next